Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about enumeration. Enumeration is a process of extracting detailed information about the network and its resources. So the main purpose of enumeration is to gather network resource informations such as shared resource like files, printers, directories, and also user and group identification. Collect information on user accounts and groups, user details and groups. So that's the purpose of enumeration. Enumeration comes after network scanning, and once you scan the network and identify the open ports, serves, then you can go ahead with the enumeration to get more information, to gather more information about the target. Let's start with NetBIOS Enumeration. NetBIOS is the protocol that's used for printer and file sharing. It's often used for network for sharing files, printers between computers. Network browsing allows users to browse the network to save resources. So the first tool we will use is nbtstat. So let us try nbtstat here. nbtstat/n. So this will list the NetBIOS information about the current system, your local system. This is my system. So we can also use nbtstat to get information about the on a single IP 192.168.1. That is not able to break because it's a firewall. Let's try this one. Yeah, it has given me its name and NetBIOS name in this folder. This is how we can use the nbtstat tool to enumerate targets. Let's try nbtstat name nbt01/a. It should give us the IP. Yeah, you can use either the name or NetBIOS name or the IP. Second tool will be the second tool will be using nbtscan. nbtscan scan range of IP address for NetBIOS names and shares. So let's try nbtscan. Seems not recognizing this, so let us try it. Let's use a tool instead. We have NetBIOS scanner. Okay, I'm going to use Metasploit framework to scan using NBT to scan the NetBIOS information. Let's go to Metasploit. Search NBT, type auxiliary, search results, spelling auxiliary. Yeah, no, let's try NetBIOS. NetBIOS. Yeah. So this is the we'll use this one. And options. So we will use the set host 192.168.153 and run. We'll talk about Metasploit on the system hacking series. It will be after we complete enumeration and vulnerability scanning. Yeah, it has found this information, test of information, the Windows name, workgroup, and IP. It's completed the enumeration. So let's use another. There is another tool, for Linux. It's here, for Linux. This is also a tool that's used for enumeration. We can try to use it. Yeah. So as you can see, it has successfully enumerated this user host. It has given us the name, Windows device name. Yeah. And there are also tools that can be used for enumerating Windows enumeration, such as NetBIOS Enumerator, which is let's use we can use also a second. Hyena is a tool, also can be used to enumerate. Just let's expired. Yeah, it's expired. So, IDs yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.